my name is Katie St. Norris with St. Norris Wealth Management. And in this video, we're going to talk about how to read a stock quote. Let's get going. First, you can Google the name of the company that you're looking for the stock quote. Let's look up something that pays dividends, say Procter & Gamble Company with the ticker PG. Procter & Gamble Company is a consumer goods company that makes everything from soap to baby diapers, something for everyday use. The ticker is basically like a nickname. So the ticker for Procter & Gamble will be PG. It's usually 1 to 4 letters for the stock ticker. You will see the general information here for open, high, bid, ask price. But my favorite website to look up stock information is actually Yahoo Finance. The reason is that it provides more detailed information for the stock that you're looking at. Say Procter & Gamble. Let's get to the stock quote line by line, and we'll look at the chart also. The top will show you the name of the company. So the Procter & Gamble Company. PG, as I said, it's a ticker. And underneath, if you will see, it said NYSE. That's the stock exchange where the company trades. It could be, say, Nasdaq, if you're looking at Apple or Amazon. The top in bold right here, you will see the current price for the stock. We know it's been up $1.81, and you will see the price increase in percentages. It also will show you after hours trading. First, they will show you the previous close of the stock, and then the open for today. As you can see, the price is different for previous close and the open. And you think, how did that happen? It closed on one price and opened at a different price. The reason being is that the stock still trades after normal trading hours. That's after hours trading that it's shown here. Below that, you will see bid and ask price. So bid price is a willing investor willing to pay for a specific stock, and ask whoever is selling the stock. That's how much they're asking. Days range, it will tell you the range from the lowest and the highest price in the day trading. If you look at the chart, it will show you that the lowest price that it traded at was 140.26, and all the way at the highest at 143.50. 52-week range. It's the range the stock's been trading within the last 12 months. You can see it shows from 94 to 146. Next, 2 lines are all about the volume. Will be volume. First one is the volume for today. And the average volume is usually last 3 months. You don't want to buy a stock that has really low volume, really thin volume, because it means it will be really hard to get in to buy a stock, and then you'll have a hard time selling the stock because the spread between the bid and ask price will be really large, and you might lose a lot of money just by trying to sell it. If you'll see that average volume, say 6 million, and for some reason today's volume is 15 million. There's a huge jump. So it means something happened today. So maybe the company came out with a new product or closed down some stores. This will show you the difference in interest with investors. The volume will be drastically different. In the right column, you will see a market cap. So it's basically the value of the company, how large the company is. Beta, it's 5-year monthly. It shows the volatility of the stock, how much the stock moves compared to overall market. Beta of overall market is 1. So for Procter & Gamble, beta is 0.4, so it is less volatile than the market. For example, if we look at something like Apple, you will see that beta here is 1.35 compared to 0.4 with Procter & Gamble. So it means there's more volatility. The stock is more risky since the beta is higher. Let's get back to our Procter & Gamble company. Next is P/E ratio. TTM is trailing for 12 months. So overall, over last 12 months. P/E ratio is a formula that calculates the ratio of price to earnings of specific stock. You'll see here it's 27.15. Just for an example, average P/E ratio of stocks trading in S&P 500 are range between 13 to 15. That's the standard P/E ratio. Here it shows 27.15. So it means that the ratio is much higher, which shows that the company may be overvalued. So you have to pay attention to that. It could be because of specific market or economic conditions, but if you think, okay, average is 13 to 15, this one 27, probably at its top. Earnings per share, also trailing 12 months. It's how much company is making per one share of stock, which shows as 5.23. It means, okay, the higher the better. It means the company is making more money per each share of stock. Earnings date. If you're looking to buy some stocks that pay dividends, earnings date will show you the date for the next earnings to be announced. Next, it will show you forward dividend and yield. So basically, if you're interested in investing in a company that pays dividend, that's the number that you're looking for. You want to know your dividend yield, how much money you're going to get in dividends. Of course, here, the higher number, the better number. Sometimes if you look at something like Tesla doesn't pay any dividends. So you will have the earnings date, but for forward dividend and yield and ex-dividend date, you'll have NA or just a dash. Let's get back. Ex-dividend date, October 22nd, 2020, will show you, okay, you have to own that stock on October 22nd in order to receive that dividend. This is a quick overview of the stock quote on how to read it. Hopefully it was beneficial. Thank you for watching. Bye.